Michelle with Pink and Maine. It's the first of the month, and guess what that means? It's time to introduce and go through the unboxing of our August 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. Here is the postcard that gives you a hint of what's inside. We have this beautiful globe with flowers. You make the world a better place. Remember to always use the postcard in one of your projects. I always try to make it so that you can make it into a card somehow. On the back of the postcard, we've got everything that is inside the kit. The kit theme is the world to me. Down here, we have information of where you can join our Crafty Courtyard Facebook group if you're on Facebook and share your creations and inspirations that you make with the kits and also see everyone else's. Here's the beautiful color palette. So let's take a look at the cardstock that's inside. We've got two 110-pound ice rink white cardstock sheets. We have some other colored cardstock, a polka dotted tan, green, teal. We've got a beautiful full sheet of yellow glitter paper. It's really pretty. We have a lavender and this lovely pink. You always get your large project bag. This mesh bag has a nice zipper and it can hold some of the contents of your kit. You can use it on the go or use them for storage. Everyone really loves our project bags, and we've been including these in our kits from the beginning. You're going to get a full 6x6 paper pack. I have to apologize, as of filming this, our paper pads are being shipped to us. So they're in shipment and I don't have them in my hands yet, but I printed a copy of the designs. Their colors always match the kit beautifully. And we have some fun patterns, including some plaids, some polka dots, some hearts, some stripes. We've got little splatters of colors, just really fun pattern papers to create with. We've got our exclusive sequin mix for the kit. These are a little softer pastel colors than what's in the kit, but they coordinate perfectly. So they're just going to be a lighter tone of what's in the kit, but I think they go so well with it, and they're really gorgeous. We have glitter enamel dots in all the colors that are in the kit. I love adding these to our cards. They add just the right amount of sparkle and shine. You're going to get your little 1-inch collectible flare button, and these are done in different colors, so you never know what color you're going to get. Here is our stamp set. So we have this beautiful globe with the flowers. We have a flower bouquet here. We have some hearts, and we have some great sentiments. You are my favorite person on earth. Welcome to the world, kid. You mean the world to me. You make the world a better place. Sending a world of thanks. You may just be one person in this world, but to this person, you are my world. I love that. So we've got coordinating dies for the stamps, and I've also thrown in a little word hello with the shadow. So isn't that cool? You get coordinating dies as well as a word die. We've got a fun stencil with a little heart pattern. And last but not least, you're going to get a 6x6 embossing folder, and it has a nice thick chevron pattern. So that'll be really fun, and you can use that for lots of different occasions. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this closer look at our August 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. Head on over to pinkandmaine.com to check it out for yourself, and possibly subscribe if you don't get the kits already. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.